Ooh. Marshalltown.
You know Becky Merrill?
Sure do. Yeah.
I used to compete with her.
Oh, see, I did too when I was a kid, you know, and she was a young adult.
You were more of a kid when I...
So now what is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
Jeannie Merrifield.
Don't remember ya.
Henry's son, and at the 7-day run, always participated with him and Becky. And
Yeah.
I don't remember some of the others.
Oh, gosh. Well, Ann Bell used to show a lot, too. I don't know if you know Ann Bell.
Huh?
Ann Bell? She used to show,
She
too.
always showed in the Halter.
Yep.
Yeah, we went to Marshalltown a lot when we were showing. Out on the hill and up down.
Tall corn.
Is the Walker girl riding anymore? Jack Walker's daughter.
Don't know her, so it doesn't... Oh, Denise! Denise Hankey!
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, she still has horses last I knew. In fact, one of them she bred was here earlier today. Little bay. Yeah, Denise Hankey.
Well, I didn't know her married name.
Yeah, I'm like, well, I had to stop and think, and I'm like, Walker sounded so familiar. Yes, sure. She, her son showed against my daughter in 4-H.